Hi everybody, this is Audrey and today I have the pleasure of featuring the Duvolle 32mm curling wand from their Desired series line. This curling wand features infrared heat technology that deeply penetrates and distributes heat, reducing heat damage. It also has an 8-foot long cord, and those are just some of the wonderful features of this product. I'm starting with freshly shampooed and conditioned and blow-dried hair and flat ironed, which I did all last night because that's a whole big step in and of itself. But I just wanted to start out with some freshly clean hair. And let me go ahead and tell you the products that I use last night, and then we'll jump into the curling style video. So I use these two products. This is shampoo and conditioner, and this is hair food, and I absolutely love this. Very good. This is the argan avocado and argan oil, and I get these from my local Kroger. And I like to switch up my shampoos every now and then just to kind of change it up a little bit. But I absolutely love these because the scent is so good. It leaves my hair feeling very clean, and I just love the smell of it. Who doesn't like nice, freshly shampooed hair? I like to spritz my hair with this 7-in-1 argan oil by Cream of Nature. And this is a 7-in-1 because it conditions, it detangles, and it serves as a heat protectant. So I like to spritz that all over my hair while it's damp, and then I blow dry my hair. And I just wrap my hair at night and put a satin bonnet on, and voila, here we are now with hair that has just been wrapped. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be curling my hair today using the Duvolle professional curling wand, which I absolutely love, and I'll tell you more about it as I use it. But what I first do is I like to divide my hair up by splitting it from the back, and I usually go ahead and part my hair on the side, on the left, because that's the side that I like it on. And then I begin curling my hair by sections from underneath. I usually start from the back and work my way to the front, and then do the same thing on the other side. So that's what we're gonna do using the Duvolle professional curling wand. It comes with a nice glove to wear on the hand that you are not going to be curling with, and that way you protect your hand from the heat. So let me go ahead and show you the wand. So this is it. It's an infrared wand, so it's got controlled heat. I absolutely love that feature of this. It also has a nice, comfort grip handle, which I love, and it has a 360 swivel cord, which is amazing. And hey, you're ready to go. It makes the job easy to get done. So we're gonna go ahead and start curling my hair. Thank you so much for tuning in for this quick hair tutorial video on using the Duvolle curling wand. And let me go ahead and give you my quick thoughts and overview of this product. So here are the things that I do like about it. I like that it's very lightweight. I like that it has a nice comforting grip right here. And I like, the thickness of the barrel. And I also like that it has a 360 swivel cord. It made it good for changing the directions. One of the things I was leery about is how hot it gets. So I'm glad it came with a glove. So in being a little leery about the heat, I kind of only counted to like 10 seconds. Or 12 seconds for each, wand hold. And I think that's why I got this looser wave pattern rather than a tighter curl that I was going for. So I would not say that is a con against this product. That's just me being a novice user to the product. So I'll keep you updated on how I improve with using it. I like this kind of loose wave effect. I really am feeling that. And this is not the first time that I have endorsed a Duvolle product. I really like their radiant spin care system as well. So I only share with you products that I think I'm gonna like and that I'm gonna use and that you're going to like and use as well. And guess what? You get a discount on this one if you click on the link that I provide in the description box. Audrey. Just click on that link and you'll get 70% off of your purchase of this curling wand. And they have other products too on their site, so make sure you check those out as well. Those are my thoughts. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this loose wave pattern that I got using this wand? Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you because He truly loves us so much. And I will see you very soon. Bye.